Here with a quick video for this is a 2012 Dodge Challenger trunk lid switch replacement. Okay, if yours is how mine was, melted here in the hot Florida sun, becomes gooey and nasty, and then you accidentally press it and you smear it all over the car because your hands get black. Here's the part. Here's the part. Here are some of the tools that were used. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. 2 wires, nothing fancy. Okay, that's the switch once it's installed. Removal is pretty simple. Once you get the entire assembly off, removal is pretty simple. 1 Phillips, another Phillips, cut the wires. Okay, cut the wires because the new part comes with these pigtails, but you don't need them, and you could just, this is part of the original harness, so you just cut the wires, cut the pigtails off the new switch, and little heat shrink tubing. Okay, splice the wires with that little jammy right there. That's it. Set it back up. That's it. She's good to go. Put everything back on, and you have yourself a brand new switch on the tail, on the trunk lid. That's it. I'm gonna add a link to the actual part that I used, so you can use it as well. All the research I did was pointing me to having to replace this entire thing through factory parts, not replacing this entire piece over one switch. So here you go. Good luck. If you're having the same problem, easy fix. Thanks, guys.